We're gonna play a song I haven't played in a long time. That's okay. The song is called Trapdoor. One of the first songs I ever wrote on the piano, actually. So. Goes like this.
He's putting on the kimono. Welcome, Ashley.
Josh is shirtless.